Pour ice water into a container and then successively add phosphate, table salt, Collagen FoodPro B, sucrose, monosodium glutamate (MSG), and modified starch. Slowly stir the liquid to get the injection solution. Note the temperature of the injection solution should be controlled below 12 degrees centigrade. Inject the injection solution into multiple parts of the chicken breast. Note the temperature of the chicken breasts should be controlled below 12 degrees centigrade. Place the injected chicken breast into a bag and put them into a tumbler for massaging. After half of 1 hour, remove and store it in a refrigerator at 4 degrees centigrade. After 4 to 6 hours, take out the chicken breasts and fry them up. To differentiate the control group in the experiment, the chicken breast treated with the regular family method was marked using red food coloring. Collagen FoodPro B properties: maintain the water and flavor in the meat, improve the texture and mouthfeel of the meat, ensure the meat remains juicy and tender.